Nokia is participating in a TM Forum catalyst called Vertical Industry Telecos. First, about the catalyst projects itself. These are collaborative projects where service provider champions and other industry players come together to explore new solution concepts, new business models, and standards. About the catalyst, Vertical Industry Telecos. It's a federated, distributed ledger-based marketplace catalyst where service providers can offer and consume telecommunication infrastructure, cloud capabilities, and other connectivity services, referred as assets. For example, assets could be mobile edge clouds, inter-cloud connectivity services, dedicated network slices, or VPN services. As a part of this catalyst, we are also exploring how blockchain-based technologies can be leveraged by CSPs to offer end-to-end services in a flexible and a transparent manner. The use case on marketplace, what we will be demonstrating in the digital transformation world 2020 is a 5G multi-site private network service built based on assets from the marketplace. This catalyst builds on the Industry 4.0 enterprise opportunity, which is estimated to be $4.3 trillion by KPMG. To capture this opportunity, we believe service providers need to enable slice-based, innovative ecosystem models with new revenue opportunities and business models. This catalyst proposes an alternate approach to build 5G networks with slicing capabilities in an ecosystem approach and leveraging federated marketplaces. The marketplace enables service providers to offer telecommunication assets to other subscribing service providers. The subscribing service providers can consume these assets to build vertical specific offerings in an agile and a cost-effective way. The marketplace that's built on a distributed ledger technology enables processing, validating, and authenticating transactions without the need for a central authority or an intermediate. Overall, the marketplace enables commoditization of telco assets in a reliable and a secure way, easing the challenges associated with on-demand service delivery and at the same time improving network utilization. Together with other participants, Nokia is exploring the end-to-end solution and the business models associated with the marketplace. Specifically, Nokia is adding its expertise in end-to-end service orchestration and service design capabilities, in addition to the contributions in the architecture and standards. Offering services from a federated marketplace in real time requires a single control point for service design and orchestration capabilities. Nokia offers its demonstration platform based on Nokia Digital Operations Center and a solution for connected cross clouds. Digital Operations Center communicates with the network controllers and orchestrators in a multi-domain, multi-vendor, and a multi-technology environment to feed customer-specific network requirements to design, deploy, and assure end-to-end services based on business intents. To complement the Digital Operations Center and to expose and connect multiple clouds, we use the Connected Cross-Cloud solution. This catalyst is a part of Nokia's presence in Digital Transformation World 2020, the online event that is open from 7th of October till 12th of November. We welcome you to visit the Catalyst and Nokia's virtual booth to learn more about how Nokia enables service providers to be part of 5G ecosystems.